What's up guys, I'm Mr. Tech, one half of the Mega Tech channel, and this is Technical Problems. Today we're just bringing you a vlog on our upcoming dates of our tutorial. If you've noticed, if you scroll down on our actual channel, on the bottom right or bottom left, we're actually 48 in Australia, and we just want to congratulate you, not really congratulate, but thank you for watching our videos. We're upcoming new ones, and we're just asking for requests, and I'm just going to pass it over to Technical Problems to update you with our incoming tutorial.
Well, soon we'll be doing tutorials on how to like do stuff with your PSP, anything. Just comment us and we can do anything. So just all you have to do is just comment us, and we're also gonna be doing stuff on computers, phones, anything that has to do with technology. Just comment us, and we'll do a tutorial on how to hack it and everything. So back to Mr. Tech.
As Mr. Technical Problems over here was saying, we have a lot of upcoming dates. We just want to let you know and inform you, and hopefully you tune in. Please subscribe on the left hand or right hand yellow button, and we'll just get back to you. Watch it, learn is our motto, so you'll be hearing that very soon. And thank you for watching Mega Tech channel.